Hi, I'm Rich with insideHPC. We're here at SC17 in Denver, Colorado, and today we're at the Supermicro booth with Akira. Akira, let's start at the beginning. Who is Supermicro and who do you help?
Yes, we are a worldwide server company. We produce server solutions, hardware from a large scale to the mid to small. We help customers in like HPC world, obviously, also like data centers and the cloud providers. So whoever needs the server hardware, this latest technology, we can provide the solution to them.
Very good. So what are you showing here?
Okay, this is one of the latest product that we have. We call it the Super Blade. It's AU in the shape, but it's a blade structure. So we have a compute node in the front, and we have a switch building on the back. So we can have like 100 gig InfiniBand EDR or Intel OmniPath and build in. So the beauty is that if you put a compute node there, you don't need any cable to connect each other.
Just slides in, no hoses or anything.
Yeah. And the node like the 4 Intel scalable CPU, gold, silver, gold, platinum, actually. Or you can have like a dual socket one, or even can have the Intel new Nightmare coming up soon.
So very flexible then.
Yes, you can have multiple configuration, not just one. You can have like 4 of those, 2 of that, 3 of those, and all connected on the back end. So it's a good solution for HPC application.
So Akira, what do we have here? It looks like FPGAs.
Well, this is a solution. We use the NVMEs. We have actually 32 NVMe in 1U form factor. Then actually you can take this one out slowly. And it has an NVMe, you can slot it on the side. And we have 32 of them built with the PCIe switch at the back. So all the servers can connect to this switch, this NVMe, we call it JBOF, just bunch of flash. And can configure from the host node. So you can have like a 4 host node connecting to this and utilize the NVMe.
So for high-speed storage, high density, is this kind of solution?
Yes, this is one of the demo from our partner, Telesystems, doing the Luster solution, doing the MDS and all the backend there. So that can provide a very high-speed bandwidth and NVMe technology built in. Then later on, we're going to have another solution, something like this, with the Intel Ruler technology, and they will come out with eventually like a 32 terabyte per piece and 32 of them. So we can have like a 1 petabyte storage in 1U form factor and very fast NVMe. So that's coming in a little bit more later in the future. But that's the base platform that you see right now.
Okay, Akira, what are we looking at here?
Okay, well, this is one of the best-selling HPC solution platform. It's a 2U 4-node. We call that as a BigTwin. So we have 2 CPU, 24 memories. You can have a connection to all NVMe, all flash in the front, by 16 expansion, and our proprietary SIOM. So 2U can host 4-node and full rich future, and NVMe as well. So this is one of the most best-selling platform for the cluster solution. We have another family called like Twin Pro, but this is the higher version of the Twin families.
Okay, Akira, we're continuing our booth tour of Supermicro. What is this thing?
This is the 4U 45 bay storage server with the hardware array controller built in. This is kind of small solution for our storage systems. We do have 45 to 60 to 90 bay. The beauty of this 45 bay is nice and compact, so you can put into any of the rack that you already have. And it comes with the NVMe as an optional. So like a safe application, you can have like a journal files here, like a caching, and have a whole your storage in the 45 bays. Then it has the LCD control in the front to do all the monitoring or any of the failure information you can get from the front. So it's very easy to maintain and manage, and the hard disk can be taken up from the top loading.
Yeah. So very nice. Well, a lot of storage density and flexibility here with some high-speed NVMe as well.
Yes, this is probably the good platform for all the open source software, storage software. You can use that to build the storage from the small scale to the large scale.
All right, we're continuing our Supermicro booth tour. Akira, what's this?
Well, this is our flagship for the GPU servers, and the one you see on the right, that has the NVLink built-in GPU platform. You can host 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 Volta V100, NVIDIA Volta V100 GPUs, and it's all connected by NVLink, which is the connection between each GPUs. And underneath that has the CPU tray. So it's a little bit hard to see, but you can actually see 2 CPUs and 24 DIMMs on a Skylake. So we have this Skylake and Volta built in.
Very nice.
And we made it in top and bottom so that we have a nice thermal to cool all this GPU and also CPU.
Yeah, there's a lot of power and heat being generated with all that density. Yeah.
And it's all configurable, so you can put any of the CPUs on the Skylake you like, and all the hard disk memories and add-on cards, whatnot. It's a very flexible solution for 8 Volta, 8 NVIDIA Volta solution.
Very nice. And the V100 now, the new GPU.
Yes, new GPU Volta that you can populate it in.
Yeah.
We do have a solution with the 1U with the 4 Volta on this same NVLink version of it, but this is the upper end with 8 GPUs. This is a good solution for AI, as you can see, but also all the HPC computation as well. And you want to continue on? The other one is the same form factor as 4U. That can actually populate up to 10 GPUs at the back. Now we only have 2 Volta in, but we can actually populate up to 10.
10 in the back. Wow.
Probably most people will have like 8 GPUs with the 2 InfiniBand EDR for GPU direct solution. You can have PCI Express type of the GPU. So it's a very popular solution, either this or that, for typically AI, HPCs.
This device has been very popular. We just got a chance to see it up close.
Yes, this is actually our AMD platform. You see 2 CPU, AMD EPIC, and the 32 DIMMs. And also we are testing right now with 3 Volta as well. So you can have AMD's like 32 physical core by 2, so 64 physical core on the 2U platform together with 3 Volta built in. So it's a very, very powerful computation system.
So you got the AMD in the same chassis with the NVIDIA. Is there any Intel in there as well?
We do have a network chip that uses Intel underneath, but
very cool.
In the CPU-wise, it's the AMD EPIC.
Yeah, nice. Okay, continuing our Supermicro booth tour. Akira, what do we have here?
Okay, this it's a 4 CPU system. You can actually see that each CPU on the back. So you have a 4 CPU with 48 memories on it. So it can go up to like a 3 terabyte or 6 terabyte on the solution base. This is since Intel began releasing the scalable CPU, you can have like a gold or platinum CPU utilizing these 4 sockets. So, and this is a good platform that we're validating, like SAP HANA application as well. So it's a good solution to work on 2U 4 CPU.
And a lot of DRAM slots here too. Wow, a lot of memory, huh?
Oh yes, this is good for memory-hungry application on in-memory database. And
terrific. Well, Akira, I want to thank you for taking us on the Supermicro booth tour this year, and I hope you have a great show.
Oh, yes, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.